Yeah, hello viewers, it's your boy Jeromekeys. Yeah, today I want to show you something very special. I want to show you the best praise sound you can use on this keyboard, Yamaha PSR E363. Yeah, E363. So first of all, we have two types of jazz guitar on this keyboard. The first jazz guitar, you can locate it here on this number 36. You can see this is the first jazz guitar you can see here on this keyboard, but I'm not using this one. I'm using the jazz guitar on 316. You can see 316. Look at it. This is the jazz guitar I'm using. So after setting the sound, go to your function. Go to your function here. Yeah, your M voice. You reduce the octave -1. Reduce the octave. Use the octave -1. You can see it's on -1. So the volume, you increase the volume to 127. You can see how suitable it is. So I'm going to use a dual voice. I'm not using only the jazz guitar. I'm going to use a dual voice. So you hold your dual here. You can see the voice that is there, strings. I'm not using strings. You search for your clever K sound, clever K, which is on 258. Clever K, you can see the sound here, clever K on 258. So you go to function, put the sound. Let me set it at 100 first, and so let us hear the sound. So you put on your dual voice. You can see it. You can see the dual here. Then you go to your function and reduce the octave -1. If the sound is not okay for you, you can still reduce the voice to like 8. I think it's okay like this. You can see the sound is now suitable. The sound is okay now. So on my bass, if there's bass guitar, you are going to set your ocarina sound at your left. So I'm using the normal ocarina. Guys, I'll show you the ocarina and the bass you can use. If you want to use a bass sound, this is a suitable bass sound you can use. Sing lead. Guys, on 440. On 440. Let me play the sound so you listen to it. You can hear it. So this is the bass sound I use while playing on this keyboard, not on any other keyboard, but on this keyboard. This is the bass sound I use on Yamaha E363. This is the bass sound I use. So simply you can set your bass function on 70. The 70 is okay. Then you can do any other setting on your mixer. But if you are using, if there is bass, set it to your ocarina. Search for your ocarina. You can use this ocarina here. Search it on 100. You can use this ocarina. If you are using ocarina, you can set this to 100, the volume to 100. Then you increase it. Put a +1. So if you are using an ocarina, this is how you leave it. You can see. But the lead, but if I'm using lead, this is where I play my lead. If you are using ocarina, I set it. But if there is a lead guitarist, in order for you to play on this keyboard, there is a voice we call Anna voice. There is a voice we call Anna voice. So let's locate our Anna voice. Let me see the sound. Locate our Anna voice on this keyboard. Let's try and locate our Anna voice. Anna voice. So this is our Anna voice on 395. You can see. So if there is a lead guitarist, you have to use your Anna voice on your right hand. And you can add ocarina to your DAW. You can set your ocarina to your DAW. Yeah. But you have to reduce the volume. Your Anna voice should be 127 minus 1. Or you can set the volume to 100. Then your DAW should just be at 30. Let me hear it. Yeah, you can use the sound. The sound is okay like this. That is your Anna voice and your ocarina mixed together on PSR E363. Why, if you are using, if there is no lead guitarist, if you are playing a one-man band, you use your jazz guitar and your clever case sound. Why, if you are using bass, use your sing lead. If you are not using bass, use your ocarina. So that is the sound I use while playing on this keyboard. Yeah, while playing on this keyboard, that is the sound I use. So thanks for watching. Please make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel and make sure you click on the like button. Don't fail to subscribe. And also click on the notification bell, so once I post any video, you will be able to see it first. Understand? So thanks for watching. I will also do a video on how you can set your worship sound. This is for praise. I will do a video how you can set your worship sound. So stay tuned and watch. Thanks and God bless you.